This is a Sony D-5A Discman. I think this was the first commercially available portable CD player. I could be wrong, and if I am, do correct me on that. That's that awesome early 80s, mid 80s Sony design language. You can see. This is the AC brick with the lineouts, as opposed to the battery bricks they had for this as well. I just finished re-adhering the clear to the door, which is a problem with these because it also operates the flap and everything else in the lock and holds the pin for the sensor and the whole 9 yards. Here's a real test. A burned CD. Not going to play music blaring through this because I don't want to upset YouTube. But hold on a second.
Hang on a minute. We got.
It's playing this burn CD, no problem. So. And there's 6 tracks on this disc. LCD is working fine. Pause is working fine. All the buttons work. Look in the back. Let's unplug this for a second. Sorry about no great sound display. I just don't have any copyright-free music burns where I would. Just pull it right off the front. There is Sony AC adapter for this thing. The adapter shows no signs of damage and it works. It's just there might be a rubber grommet or something in there that's perished, but it's working fine. I'm not going to upset the apple cart because it's working and I don't want to mess with it, so I have not touched it. But this is a really cool CD player. It sounds great. I mean, you don't want to touch this thing when it's running because it doesn't have anti-skip. But it sounds really good, and it's absolutely, it could get deafening loud. You wouldn't think that being so old with caps, but there you go. The door is a stupid design, but it's working again. And that's about it. Just a beautiful looking piece of technology from the 80s. D-5A. There are some scratches in the door, but authentic 80s scratches. Right back on, see? Nice and easy. Back to life. And to turn it off, just click the switch. Green switch off. Green switch off. Green switch on. Yeah, this machine's happy to work. D5, D5A, Sony Discman. Very, very cool.